all over for you. About time you showed up.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Adventures with David. Oh yes, finally. I have been telling you guys for quite some time that I was gonna make my way back to Universal Studios, our very first time vlogging here. Now we were here for Halloween Horror Nights, but it's my very first time bringing you guys along with me. Now we're definitely gonna be seeing some Super Nintendo World from the upper lot to the lower lot. We're definitely going to be going on some amazing rides, and we're definitely going to be checking out some character meet and greets. If you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to head on inside of Universal Studios Hollywood, and let's see what's new. Let's go. Dude, it feels so great to be back inside of Universal Studios, not for Halloween Horror Nights, but for also, this time just for a fun day. We've been actually wanting to do this for quite some time. Now, the one thing Universal does that's different than all the other parks is the external mics. So unfortunately, sorry for the audio, the weird audio, but Universal is very strict on the external mics, which is weird. We've done this at Disneyland, we've done this at Knott's Berry Farm. They're okay with it. No, Universal's not.
Woo! Close the gates! Keep a lookout!
Hey!
Sage! Come help me! Stop!
To be back here at Universal Studios checking out WaterWorld. It was great that we saw all the actors did a phenomenal job. We took our fun pictures with the Mariner. We took a picture with someone that appeared from the show Jaeger. Also, we got a fun, and I mean a fun picture with one of the guys that appeared on The Mandalorian. Man, he is so cool to actually take a picture with, but the entire show was phenomenal. I will definitely give that show a 12 out of 10. I mean, this is one thing to definitely come out to and check out.
Yeah, there he is. This guy. I'm looking all over for you. About time you showed up.
Right?
Hang on my butt. We go way back. A whole 10 seconds.
True.
Have a great one.
Hey, it's Gabby. How are you? Next to a taxi. I love it.
Can you believe it? With my own eyes. Yep, that's real, baby.
That's right.
That's real. The real deal.
Oh, I love it.
You think you love it. Imagine how I feel.
One thing. What is on your Christmas wish? Christmas list.
No one's asked me that.
Huh?
So many things, honestly. You know what? I could use a good scarf. Maybe
Nice.
this color scarf?
I like
Why
that.
are you asking? Are you going to get me something?
Possibly, maybe.
Is it going to be a scarf?
Maybe. But
Okay,
you got
fine,
a good neck gear right there.
I got this.
All right, guys, it is studio tour time. Let's go. It actually looks pretty decked out for the holiday. actually telling my wife, I go, man, I feel like a tourist with me being here the first time vlogging. I've been here numerous times, but vlogging would be my first time here. But it was actually pretty cool. I loved every bit of that. I loved watching all the effects that they have there. Every bit of that was really awesome. Man, my heart is beating so much when I passed by there. We were on the studio tour, and if you actually look to the far left, sorry, little video is a little shaky, but right there is Toadstool Cafe. That big old white little dome area is gonna be Toadstool Cafe. They're getting it ready to go. Bowser's head is right there. And what's even crazier, when you actually take a look at that, it's pretty crazy because you hear like the sounds of dinosaurs, but it's like roar. And it's like, oh my gosh, it's Bowser. Bowser's alive? But yes, it is so cool. Cannot wait until next year for Super Nintendo World, man. Every bit of my little childhood is about to come true. Being right in front of the Super Nintendo World where the entrance is gonna be, you can definitely tell. And I definitely saw one of the YouTubers video when he actually went to Japan, and you saw a giant circle. You can definitely see the circle. You can definitely see the facade. Everything is starting to come up Millhouse. Yes, Super Nintendo World is this close. And it was actually pretty cool. I was talking to my wife and I go, man, you remember the sand episode where the little sand things are like this? I definitely remember that. That was so cool. Every bit of that, it started bringing every bit of nostalgia for the levels of Mario here. Super Nintendo World is almost there. That was actually pretty cool. Definitely saw the Optimus Prime experience. Definitely gonna see if we can try to see Megatron. Man, these character photo ops are like no other. It is really cool. I love being here. Really cool. Now we're definitely gonna be checking out, which is the Raptor Encounter. And man, I definitely see the Jurassic World drop, and you can feel it through your core when actually it slams through. No, thank you. I still to this day say no, thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Raptor Encounter. My name's Andy, dinosaur handler here at Jurassic World. And this kind of training is an integral part of our Raptor program. It allows us to not only study the dinosaurs, but also their behavior and proximity to humans. Today, we are going to be using our favorite Raptor here by the name of Blue because of her extreme intelligence and her empathy toward guests. This is going to be the chance of a lifetime, but we are dealing with a wild animal. So, no sudden movements. And for your safety, please do not approach the Raptor. I have been told that if you guys follow those very important safety rules, all of us are going to be perfectly safe. That being said, you guys are in very good hands. There is absolutely nothing to worry about. We've been doing this for a long time here on the island. Everything's going to be fine. Take a deep breath. We've got it all under control. We're just making sure that everything is good. Obviously, we are dealing with live, wild animals. So, you want to maintain your calm composure at all times. This is an apex predator. That means she is at the top of her food chain. Now, most likely that means that because the T-Rex is on the other side of the island. Open the gates. Eyes on me. Hold. Eyes on me. That's more like it. All right. All right, calm down. And we're moving. Good.
That Raptor Encounter was really awesome. I love it. Great job to Universal Studios. Wow, that was awesome. I was honestly a bit nervous because I kept looking behind me because I didn't want the Raptor to like come charging after me. Even though you said it was like an electrified fence, never know. I think we're gonna definitely check out the Transformers the ride, possibly. So, let's need to go check it out. Dude, so right here at the Transformers meet and greets, we definitely saw Optimus Prime, we saw Bumblebee. Optimus Prime was one of my favorite ones so far. It was really, really funny when I was doing that little move. He's like, what is he doing? Really awesome. Now, we're definitely going to we lined up perfectly just in time. We're actually the first ones here to definitely check out Megatron. And you know what? I'm going to ask him one question. Is he a Hufflepuff? I'm a little nervous actually asking that question on how intimidating he actually looks.
Well, hello.
Hello there. How are you?
I'm doing
Welcome
swell.
to Hogsmeade.
That's it. Aww. I know.
Cool. I like your little magic box that's got a tail.
It does. It's a little tail.
Yeah.
It's like almost
Where
like
are
a
you?
dragon. I'm
Where
not
are you
doing
from?
pretty well. Where am I from?
Yeah.
The Outer Rim over here.
The Outer Rim.
I know.
That sounds cool. Is it like a record player?
Kind of.
Neat.
Yeah. We don't have castles like that over
You
there.
don't have castles.
No.
That's a shame. You should build one. They're not hard. Made out of bricks.
That's true. That's true though.
Yeah.
100%.
There's no magic to that. It's just building.
That's true. We don't have an awesome train like that. That's a
There are
Hogwarts
trains.
Express. That is the Hogwarts Express.
we stole it from the Muggles.
Yeah, that guy is based on.
We really did. They don't know, and then it flies over them and it's invisible.
All right.
Oh, it's not an animal. It's me.
It's
Hi,
you.
me.
Hey, it's you.
I didn't know.
Wait, there's double of you, right?
Really?
There's like a mirror image of you on this one.
Oh, because I'm here and there.
Yeah. Or are
That's
you
it.
there and here?
That's messing with my head. I don't like that.
Being here at Hogsmeade is so incredible. I love the fact that you basically check out that train and conductor. That was so cool. I love it, man. Already stole my heart, man. It was so funny. Now, technically, looking at myself, am I here and there, or am I there and here? That is a question for you guys, but yeah. Hogsmeade is pretty much like no other. You can wave your wand. I wish I had my daughter's wand here. She had Dracos. That's right, Dracos. That is really cool. There is so much here to explore. Man, let's just try to explore everything that is Hogsmeade. This place is home. This place is so cool. Really amazing. Holy moly. I do feel like a tourist walking around here looking at things and taking pictures and stuff like that. Wow. Hogsmeade stole my heart. This is so cool. I love this place. And we haven't even got to Hogwarts Castle yet. Oh man. Okay. Let's go. Dude, look how marvelous that looks right there. Holy cow. We're definitely gonna see it lit up tonight, but man, this looks incredible. Wow. dude, being here was so cool. We definitely saw the Tri-Wizard tournament, and man, the Bobaton, they were so awesome, man. The drum strings were great. That was an amazing show. I love it. And then we actually, for my first time, it feels weird. I'm gonna say this a million times. I feel like a tourist here. But my very first time I did ride the Forbidden Journey ride, and that thing was so immersive. That thing was awesome. I love every bit of that. That ride was amazing. If you guys haven't actually rode that attraction, you guys need to. That was awesome. Dude, that is so amazing. All the holiday decorations have landed here at Universal Studios, and man, it looks gorgeous during the day, and it looks even better at night. Oh my gosh, that looks awesome. You got the bulbs, you got the garlands, you have the lights. French Marketplace looks absolutely amazing. So that is it for today's awesome video. Now, I definitely loved every bit of Universal and bringing you guys along with me as well too. First time I actually vlogged here, and man, we saw some Super Nintendo World updates. We actually rode on some awesome attractions with you guys, and we saw the Grinchmas, and we even saw the lights all lit up for the holidays. That's right. We had such an incredible time. Thank you guys so much. Now, if you guys thoroughly enjoy this vlog adventure, make sure you guys give it an awesome thumbs up. If you guys want to follow me on all my theme parks, conventions, expos, you name it, there's so much more to come. Make sure you guys are subscribed. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go.